Now this kit is super handy to have around your house. This is the 1008 piece SAE O-ring kit that you need at your house. So as we open this up from the very nice case, we are going to be presented with all of these super durable, high quality O-rings. And as I take one of these out of here, we're going to take an up close look. They are super durable, made with high quality material. You can see me stretching that with a lot of strength, and it is still keeping its exact position. Something like this is going to be perfect for boats, RVs, automotive, electrical, plumbing, valve connections, oils. This can be used for a ton of different items. Now there are so many different sizes in this kit. You have your biggest all the way down to your very smallest O-ring. So this is going to be really practical to have something like this in your garage or in your tool bag. Now as I remove the biggest ones and put these off to the side, we're going to have some of my favorite part here is going to be the hook and pick tool set. Now these are actually going to be really nice. They have a nice grippy material on the outside, and I do like how they have a nice contrast with the yellow. They just look pretty high tech. They have a little cutout here for your thumb, and that's going to be all the way around. So we're going to have a couple different ones. These are going to be probably your most useful hook and pick tools that you can have. A little bit of a slight angle. We have the hook coming all the way back. We also have a 90-degree angle and then a straight one as well. So these are going to really help you take O-rings off and put them back on. I love that the kit does come with these tools because these are some of my absolute favorite tools to use. Lock it up, very nice, and you can actually hang this up in your garage as well, or just store this in a nice place. Shows you everything that you have on the outside, including all of the measurements, so you know what you have and what you're getting into. This kit is absolutely amazing. Would make a great gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or birthday. I highly recommend this. Add this to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.